Hey everybody, Guy Arnold, and if you're wondering today what $500,000 could get you in McKinney, Texas, here's your answer. 4201 Furrow Drive in McKinney. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,750 square feet roughly. Fantastic little neighborhood. We've got a community park down the road and a catch and release fishing pond. We're going to go take a tour, but when we're all done at the end, you got to stay for the backyard. The backyard's going to blow you away. Okay, we just stepped inside the front door here at 4201 Furrow Drive, and to your right side here is the dining area. It's a very spacious dining area. This is a really good sized square table. Could easily get 8 people around it. And then as we come over to the left side, you'll go past, here's the utility room for washer and dryer, a half bath, but then the master bedroom. I love having the master bedroom downstairs. I'm too old to walk up and downstairs if I don't need to. And it's away from the kids' rooms. As they're playing their video games, that's not a bad thing. We'll go through here to through the master bath. You got double vanities here, separate shower and tub, and a very spacious closet. You know, a very nice master closet. And I'm sorry, all these shoes are not included with the home. Back of the lower level here, and here the kitchen is to this side. A very spacious kitchen, lots of room to walk around, and a lot of counter space. And opposite the kitchen downstairs here, we have the downstairs living space, and it connects to the patio going outside, which we will finish up the tour with. Okay, we just got to the top of the stairs, and right away to your left is one of the secondary bedrooms. Obviously bunk bed set up for kids right now. Nice size room though. But huge game space up here. This is one of the bigger game areas I've seen in this neighborhood. Lots of room for exercise equipment, sofas, monster TV, lots of room. Going in this direction is the second of the upstairs bedrooms. Very nice sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. In between 2 of the bedrooms upstairs is the full bath. And here's the 3rd bedroom upstairs, obviously being used as an office right now, but once again, very spacious room. And now we get to one of my favorite parts of the house. You know me, I'm about the outdoors, the barbecuing, the smokers. You got to see this. We got a full-length covered patio here. I mean, it's huge space for entertaining, anything you could possibly want to do back here, and a monstrous yard. This is one of the biggest yards in the neighborhood. You got to check out the drone photography I have. This kind of yard you just don't find in this neighborhood. This is for entertaining. But once again, give me a call about this house. Guy Arnold, 469-247-5226. I'll talk to you soon.